Welcome to Exploring Real Estate Investment Options. In this module, we embark on a journey to discover diverse avenues within the real estate landscape. Let's dive into the multitude of possibilities that real estate offers. As we explore, we encounter various investment options. Rental properties, a way to generate passive income through both long-term and short-term rentals. Fix and flip, the strategy of renovating and selling properties for short-term gains. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, investing in publicly traded companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. Other investment strategies, a diverse realm including partnerships, crowdfunding, tax-lien investing, and derivatives. Decision-making factors, understanding key elements that shape investment decisions. Now let's focus on rental properties. Long-term rentals, offering stability and income, but with less flexibility. Short-term rentals, VRBO. With considerations and challenges, they bring higher income potential, but also demand more management involvement. Moving on to fix and flip. Understanding the fix and flip strategy involves buying, renovating, and selling properties for a profit. Risks and rewards of property flipping. While there's potential for high returns, it comes with higher risks and shorter-term investments. Now let's delve into real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Definition and function of REITs. They are publicly traded companies involved in owning, operating, or financing income-producing real estate. Types of REITs include equity, mortgage, and hybrid REITs. Pros and cons of investing in REITs. Offering diversification and liquidity but susceptible to market fluctuations. Exploring other investment strategies. Real estate partnerships. Collaborating with others for joint ventures. Real estate crowdfunding. Pooling funds from various investors for real estate projects. Tax-lien investing. Involves purchasing liens on properties with delinquent taxes. Real estate derivatives. Financial instruments based on the value of real estate assets. As you consider these options, remember the decision-making factors. Risk tolerance and investment goals. Aligning investments with personal risk tolerance and financial objectives. Market conditions and trends. Understanding the current dynamics of the real estate market. Financing considerations for different investment options. Examining the financial aspects of each strategy. As we conclude, a sincere thank you for exploring real estate investment options with us. If you found this valuable, please show your support by liking, sharing for wider reach, and subscribing for more insightful content. Your engagement keeps the knowledge flowing. Thank you, and until next time.